Warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Farkhan Hidayat and we are from Group 9 and we will explain to you about data analyze non-parametric tests, and my friend is Sela Eka Melati, and the content is for the first non-parametric test, second is types of non-parametric tests, third is advantage of parametric tests, and the last is advantage of the parametric test. For the description of parametric test is make a full or no assumption about the distribution of the population or the characteristics of that population. The test does not assume a regular bell-shaped curve of distribution in the wider population. Indeed, the wider population is perhaps irrelevant as these tests are designed for a given specific population, a class in school, a chemistry group, a primary school year group. For the types of non-parametric tests is have four the types. For the first is Mann-Whitney test. Second is Wilcoxon sign rank test. The Kruskal-Wallis, the chi-square test. The Mann-Whitney test is based on ranks, comparing the number of times a score from one of the samples is ranked higher than a score from the other sample, and hence overcomes to the problem of low cell frequency in the chi-square statistic. The Wilcoxon sign rank test is a test used to compare two related samples, match samples, or repeat measurement on a single sample to assess whether their population mean ranks differ. The third is the Kruskal-Wallis test is a non-parametric technique with which to analyze the variance. In other words, it analyzes whether there is a difference in the median values of three or more independent samples. The chi-square test is a valid statistical hypothesis test to perform if the best statistic is a square chi distributed under the null hypothesis, especially the version quadric chi test and its variance. For the more under, to more understand, you can read our paper or our PowerPoint. Next material we will present with Sela. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Sela Eka Melati. Today I would like to present about advantage of parametric test and disadvantage of parametric test. Firstly is advantages of parametric test. First, there is less of possibility to reach incorrect conclusions because assumptions about the population are unnecessary. In the other words, this is a conservative method. 2. It is more intuitive and does not require much statistical knowledge. 3. Statistics are computed based on signs or ranks, and those are not greatly affected by outliners. 4. This method can be used even for small samples. For disadvantages of parametric tests, there are 5 disadvantages. Firstly, is actual difference in a population cannot be known because the distribution function cannot be stated. Second, compared to parametric methods, there are only a few analytical methods. 3. In the information accurate from non-parametric methods is limited compared to that from parametric methods, and it is more difficult to interpret it. Fourth, the information in the data is not fully utilized. The last, computation becomes complicated for a large sample. Okay, thanks for your attention, guys. If you have any question, you can ask us in the question box. Okay, thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.